If you are changing the ProCharge Ultra, you will need to reset the program from battery charge BC to power supply PS. The ProCharge Ultra is located inside the seating area against the back wall. First, you will need to start the generator. Press the on-off button and hold the start button until the generator is running. On startup, the battery charger will first show 888 in the voltmeter and ammeter windows. The display will then change to read BC, denoting battery charge. Press either the up or down button to toggle to PS, denoting power supply. When the display reads PS, press and hold the Setup Enter button for 5 seconds to set. This will set the Sterling Power battery charger mode to power supply.